Hi everyone, and welcome to my comprehensive guide on the top AI tools for saving money on shopping. In this video, I'll be discussing a wide range of AI-powered apps and services that can help you find the best deals on everything from groceries to electronics. Whether you're an avid online shopper or prefer to shop in physical stores, these AI tools are designed to make your shopping experience more affordable and convenient. Let's dive in. Honey. One of my favorite AI tools for saving money is Honey. Honey is a free browser extension that harnesses the power of AI to automatically apply coupons and discounts to your online purchases. It seamlessly integrates with popular e-commerce platforms and online retailers such as Amazon, Walmart, and Target. Once you've installed Honey, it scans the web for available coupon codes and applies them at the checkout, potentially saving you a significant amount of money. Additionally, Honey tracks the price history of products, allowing you to set price drop alerts and receive notifications when the items you want go on sale. With Honey's AI capabilities, you can shop confidently, knowing that you're getting the best possible price. Ibotta. Another excellent AI tool for saving money is Ibotta. Ibotta is a cashback app that rewards you for your purchases. It partners with a wide range of stores, including popular retailers like Walmart, Target, and Amazon. With Ibotta, you can browse through a variety of cashback offers and unlock them by completing simple tasks, such as watching a short video or answering a survey question. Once you've made a qualifying purchase, you can submit your receipt through the app and receive cashback directly into your Ibotta account. What sets Ibotta apart is its AI-powered personalized offers. The app learns your shopping habits and tailors its cashback offers based on your preferences, allowing you to earn money on items you genuinely enjoy. Capital One Shopping. Capital One Shopping is a free browser extension that employs AI to help you find the best prices on products you're interested in. Formerly known as Wikibuy, Capital One Shopping automatically compares prices across different retailers, ensuring that you're getting the most competitive deal available. It also provides you with real-time price drop alerts, notifying you when the products you're tracking experience a significant price reduction. What's impressive about Capital One Shopping is its additional features, such as the ability to earn Capital One shopping credits, which can be redeemed for gift cards. Furthermore, the extension analyzes the credibility of sellers and provides customer reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. With Capital One Shopping, you can shop smarter and save money effortlessly. Shopkick. If you enjoy shopping in physical stores, then Shopkick is the perfect AI tool for you. Shopkick is a mobile app that rewards you with points, called kicks, for performing various actions during your shopping trips. By simply walking into partner stores, scanning select products, and making purchases, you can accumulate kicks and redeem them for gift cards to your favorite retailers. Shopkick leverages AI technology to track your actions accurately, ensuring that you receive the appropriate amount of kicks for each activity. The app also offers personalized deals and recommendations based on your shopping preferences, making your in-store experience more tailored and rewarding. Shopkick's AI algorithms continuously learn from your behavior, enabling the app to provide you with increasingly relevant offers over time. Rakuten. Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates, is a cashback website that provides you with a percentage of your purchase amount back as cashback. By shopping through Rakuten's platform, you can earn cashback at a wide range of online stores, including popular retailers like Macy's, Sephora, and Nike. Rakuten employs AI to analyze your shopping patterns and interests, allowing it to recommend relevant stores and products with high cashback rates. The website also features a browser extension that notifies you of available cashback opportunities when you visit partner sites. Additionally, Rakuten regularly offers double cashback promotions and exclusive deals to maximize your savings. With Rakuten's AI-driven cashback system, you can earn money while indulging in your favorite online shopping. Groupon. When it comes to finding great deals on a variety of products and services, Groupon has established itself as a go-to platform. Groupon utilizes AI algorithms to curate daily deals from local businesses and national retailers. From restaurants and spa treatments to electronics and clothing, you can find discounts on an extensive range of offerings. Groupon's AI technology analyzes user behavior and preferences to present personalized deals based on your interests. The platform also features a search function that allows you to explore deals in specific categories or locations. Whether you're planning a night out or looking for unique gift ideas, Groupon's AI-powered deals make it easy to save money while enjoying life's experiences. Living Social. Similar to Groupon, Living Social is a website that offers daily deals on various products and services. Living Social's AI algorithms scour the web to find the most attractive discounts on activities, travel, beauty services, and more. With Living Social, you can discover hidden gems in your local area or explore deals in other cities for your next vacation. The platform's AI technology takes into account your preferences, such as your favorite activities and destinations, to present you with personalized deals that align with your interests. Additionally, Living Social encourages social sharing, allowing you to invite friends to join in on the deals and earn referral bonuses. By leveraging Living Social's AI-powered deals, you can explore new experiences and save money along the way. Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime has become a household name, known for its extensive selection of products and fast, convenient shipping. As an AI tool, Amazon Prime incorporates machine learning algorithms to analyze your browsing and purchasing behavior, enabling it to recommend personalized product suggestions. The customers who bought this also bought and recommended for you features are examples of how AI enhances your shopping experience on Amazon. Additionally, Amazon Prime offers free 2-day shipping on eligible items, making it a cost-effective option for frequent online shoppers. Prime members also gain access to a plethora of entertainment content through Prime Video, Prime Music, and Prime Reading. With the power of AI, Amazon Prime continues to evolve and cater to its members' needs, delivering convenience and savings right to your doorstep. Target Circle. Target Circle is Target's loyalty program that rewards you for shopping at their stores. With Target Circle, you can earn points for making purchases, scanning receipts, and referring friends. These points can be redeemed for gift cards to Target and other partner retailers. Target Circle employs AI algorithms to analyze your shopping habits and preferences, enabling it to offer personalized deals and recommendations. The program also provides exclusive access to sales and promotions, ensuring that members receive the best possible prices on a wide range of products. With Target Circle's AI-driven loyalty program, you can make the most out of your Target shopping experience and enjoy significant savings. Kroger Rewards. Kroger Rewards is a loyalty program offered by Kroger, one of the largest grocery store chains in the United States. By using your Kroger card or scanning receipts through the Kroger app, you can earn points for every dollar spent on eligible purchases. These points can be redeemed for discounts on groceries, fuel, and gift cards to various retailers. Kroger Rewards leverages AI technology to analyze your shopping patterns and preferences, providing personalized offers and recommendations tailored to your needs. The program also offers exclusive discounts and promotions for members, ensuring that you receive the best value for your money. With Kroger Rewards' AI-powered loyalty program, you can save money on groceries while enjoying a convenient and personalized shopping experience. These AI tools offer a plethora of ways to save money on shopping, whether you prefer online or in-store experiences. From browser extensions that apply coupons and find the best prices to cashback apps that reward you for your purchases, the power of AI is transforming the way we shop and save. Loyalty programs and membership-based warehouse clubs leverage AI algorithms to provide personalized deals and recommendations, ensuring that you receive the best value for your money. With a little research and the help of these AI tools, you can find the best deals on everything you need. Happy shopping and happy saving! Thank you for watching this comprehensive guide on the top AI tools for saving money on shopping. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on how to save money. Don't forget to check out my other videos for additional insights and advice. Thanks again, and happy shopping!